What's going on, guys? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. As always, we have one rule, right? Our number one rule, our only rule. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And you would thank yourself in the future that you were responsible for making your investing decisions, not anyone else. So, hey, let's get right into the money. Give me 1 second here. And, we jump right into what's going on for the week. And as you see right here, let's take a look at the Dow. On Friday, Dow was pretty much flat, only up 2 points. On the day and for the week, the Dow up 1%, 449 points. And so far, year to date, the Dow is up 1%, 348 points. So from January 1st to April 6th, because the market was not open on Friday due to Good Friday, the Dow is up over 1%. S&P still sitting well over 4,000. So it closed on Thursday, actually, at 4105, up 0.36%, up 14 points. Over the last 5 days, up 0.86, 34 points. And over the year to date, the S&P is up 7%, 280 points. Remember, a lot of people saying that the S&P is going to dip down to 32. We're still waiting. We'll see. We'll see. And the NASDAQ closed on Thursday up 0.76, up 91 points. Not bad. Over 12,000. I'm not mad at that. Previous 5 days, pretty flat. Only up 11 points. And that's for the month. For a good month. But year to date, man, up 16%, up over 1,700 points so far year to date. So the NASDAQ still trying to, get back some of those gains that they lost last year. It was a rough year, but I think the NASDAQ is doing pretty good. It is doing pretty good so far this year. I'm not complaining. But one of the things I wanted to touch on this video, and hopefully you guys are aware of what's going on in the market, and that's the emergence of artificial intelligence, right? So you see a lot of job layoffs. You have a lot of things that's going on, but one of the things that everyone should be concerned, or I ain't gonna say concerned, but aware of, is the emergence of artificial intelligence. So I think it's important that you start looking for positions to add into your portfolio that reflect, or stocks that coincide with artificial intelligence, AI. So if you hear AI, that's what it is, artificial intelligence. You hear about this new thing, ChatGPT. It's a lot of things that's going on behind the scenes. So as an investor, you want to be informed on what's going on. I want to talk about this little article that I seen. It just came out, and the importance of why you should probably have AI in your portfolio. So hey, let's just take a look real quick. Give me 1 second here, if I can pull it up. And here you go. You see Microsoft's $13 billion bet on OpenAI carries huge potential along with plenty of uncertainty. So I believe personally that Microsoft, Apple, and some of the other big dogs are going to play an important role in artificial intelligence, as you see right here. That's why, I think it's important to have Microsoft in your portfolio. So let's take a look here. Microsoft partnership with OpenAI could mean billions of dollars a year in new revenue as workloads pile up in Azure. The investment, which most recently values OpenAI at a reported $29 billion, is complicated given the company's cap profit model. Microsoft is integrating the technology into its Bing search engine, sales, and marketing software. GitHub, GitHub, coding tools. I'm sorry. It's a big run on sentence. I can't see myself. Microsoft is integrating the technology into its Bing search engine, sales, and marketing software. GitHub coding tools, Microsoft 365 productivity bundle, and Azure cloud. So you see that Microsoft is well aware of the importance of AI, and you see that the investment that it's making into AI, with a $13 billion bet on OpenAI. So let's go a little bit further here, and we'll just read real quickly here. When Microsoft first invested $1 billion in OpenAI in 2019, the deal received no more attention than your average corporate venture round. The startup market was blazing hot, and artificial intelligence was one of the many areas attracting mega valuations alongside electric vehicles, advanced logistics, and aerospace. However, 3 years later, the market looks very different. Startup funding has cratered following the collapse of public market multiples for high growth, money-losing tech companies. The exception is artificial intelligence, specifically generative AI, which refers to technologies focused on producing automated text, visual, and audio responses. So no private company is higher than OpenAI. In November, the San Francisco-based startup introduced ChatGPT. You guys should know about ChatGPT, which is a chat box that went viral thanks to its ability to craft human-like replies to user queries about nearly any topic. So, yeah, man, Microsoft, OpenAI, ChatGPT, these are, you're looking at the future right now. So, you don't want to get passed by. You don't want to sleep on what's going on right now. Artificial intelligence is what's going on right now. So you guys need to make sure that you are, as investors, understand what's going on. Understand where the money's going, right? Understand how the market is moving. And artificial intelligence is where it's heading. So you need to make some decisions about your portfolio. Me, I'm investing in Microsoft. I'm investing in Apple. I'm going to continue investing heavily in Microsoft, probably more than what I'm doing now, because I think that they're going to play a major role into this whole artificial intelligence period. So just something to keep your eye on. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You do your own research, and you guys, you know the rest. So, all right, let's get right into it. We are in. Let's head to our investing challenge for the week, and let's see here. Week 14 in the JEP challenge. On this past week, we invested $5. And for week 14, we invested $5 in the JEPI. We invested $5 in JEPQ. Total of $10, of course, for week 14. Total amount invested in this challenge, $120. And also this past week, we had our monthly dividend that hit for JEPI and JEPQ. This also got reinvested. So this also helps the position grow even more. So this is just an easy $5 challenge we've been doing every week. Into JEPI and JEPQ to help increase our positions, right? So total for the year, we've invested $120. We're going to go all the way to week 52. So every week, we're going to invest $5 in the JEPI, $5 in the JEPQ. I also do a monthly $25 in the JEPI, and then you get your monthly dividend into JEPI and JEPQ, which I also reinvest. So all these factors help increase our position in this portfolio, which, years down the road, I want this to be, one of my my sources of income, right? So we're putting in the work right now. And, with this $5 challenge, it just helps us, increase what we're already putting into it. So week 14 is in the book. And let's go over to SCHD and VOO. So I got some bad news. So this past week, I have it in my mind, and this is my fault, to invest every Friday into SCHD and VOO. Well, this week the markets were not open on Friday, and it didn't dawn on me on Thursday to complete the challenge a day earlier because I always do it on Friday. So unfortunately, this week we did not complete our what would have been $14 in the SCHD, $14 in the VOO, right? So we didn't do that this week. So next week, what we'll do is we'll complete week 14 challenge and week 15 challenge. So that's going to be 14 and 15, which is a total of $29, right? We're going to do $29 next week into SCHD, $29 into VOO. And that's going to cover our week 14 and week 15 challenges. That is, what's that, a total of $58. So we'll add the $58 to the $182 we've already invested into this challenge. So we're going to get back on track. Due to Good Friday, this Easter weekend, the market was closed on Friday, so we'll handle the challenge on next Friday and get caught up. Complete week 14, then we'll complete with week 15, then we'll be back on schedule. So no investment happened this week. We'll get back on track next week with our SCHD and VOO investing challenge. So, and that's it, guys. I wanted to give you guys an update as we do every week and let you guys know where we stand on our investing challenge. Going good so far. We're going to go all the way to week 52 on both of the challenges. The next JEPQ challenge, we'll do that on Tuesday. Then VOO, SCHD, will catch up with that on Friday. And that's it. Remember, guys, check on that. Check on your portfolios. Stay up to date what's going on in the market. We talked about opening. We talked about artificial intelligence. So keep that in mind. I'm not going to hold you up. Once again, do your own research. That's our number one rule. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. Also, check out my if you're not able to watch the videos, check out my podcast, Stock Talk with David. It's on most streaming platforms. You can just do a search and you'll see me pop right up. So, but that's all, guys. I'll catch you next time. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do your own research. I am out.